Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make thumbnail for your YouTube video without using Adobe Photoshop or any software on your desktop. This only can be done with the help of online tools. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. I am going to show you A to Z step how to make YouTube video thumbnails. So what you have to do is you have to search for a tool with the name Canva in Google, and you will see this link in front of you. Just click on it and you will be going to land on their main website. So I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to tell those steps to you. So you can register and see this dashboard, and once you are landed in this dashboard, just enter what you want to search for. Okay, but before that I'm going to show you these are the templates that you can use instead of creating everything from scratch. So you can see Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, marketing banners, infographics, lot of things are there. So you can use those templates. So let's not waste the time on these things. Let's jump into the main topic of the video, which is how to create YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube video. So I'm going to search for YouTube. It will give the name YouTube thumbnail automatically. It is going to show you few of the good templates that they have pre-built in their dashboard. So you can see plenty of good templates related to yoga, business, and fitness, makeup tutorials. You can create the template from scratch as well for your thumbnail, but I would prefer this option because it takes time and they have very good template list. So I am going to use those ones. So my website is related to tech and marketing, so I'm going to use some professional template which suits with the theme of my videos and design. So I like this one. I am going to click on it and it will open this editing panel, which we call it this as a editing panel. So you will see left side panel is editing pane and right side is the preview pane. So whatever you are doing in the left side, it will preview in the center or the right side. So I want to change the color or image or anything, I can do it right away in front of you. But if you want to use the premium version, you can go on the top and click and upgrade your plan, because there are some images and the fonts you need to use in the premium version. For example, I am going to change the color of this box. So let's click on this box and you will see the rectangular bar, and on the left top corner you will see this icon, change the color. Click on it and you can change the color as per your desire. And for example, I want to change the color into green because it suits with my theme and the brand image. So when I click on this, you can see the color of the background of that text has been changed. If you want to change the text or particular part of the text to be highlighted, then click on that part, highlight that, and then select on this A icon and then click on the color section. I selected yellow and you can see it is changed in the yellow color. Okay, and if you want to change the whole text font size or font style, so you can use any of the style once you select. I am going with Muley Black, it is my one of the favorite. I can resize as per my need. It is currently at 80 pixel and it is going out of the box, so you can reduce the pixel size of the text. Just select that and reduce it to as per your need. So you can see the size has been reduced, but it doesn't look good, so I have increased the size to 56. Okay, and you can increase and decrease by drag and drop once you see this icon. Okay, and you can increase the line height as well to increase the vertical space between the fonts. Even you can increase the spacing between the letters as well horizontally. Okay, it will help you to design and you can change the alignment of the font as well, right, left, middle. You can change it in the italics as well. For example, if you want to change this particular all your HTML questions answered, just double click on it and edit the text. I'm going to enter techblogcorner.com as a watermark, or you can say brand image as a thumbnail. Now you can see the text has been changed. Now you can increase the size of the font by drag and drop, and even you can increase the size of the box. There are multiple other settings that you can use. If you want to change the background of the image or thumbnail, just click on the particular section and go back to the left panel sidebar and click on background. You will see plenty of gradient option, plain text color option. You can choose any one you want. Okay, for example, I used pink. Then you will see this is over embedded over the image as a background. Now you can, if you don't like this, you can use the undo button on the top left. It will remove whatever we have done. You can use the filters to give the effects in the image. You can see there is a plenty of options available. You can use the intensity or increase or decrease the intensity of the image color. And I will say, if you want to add some elements, for example arrows, smiley icons, so you can use that. The pro icon signifies that it is a premium image you can only use once you have the pro version. Okay, and I am going to use free version in this video because I have a free account and it is sufficient for me to use. And I'm going to use this mouse over icon, and you can, once you click on that icon, it will automatically come into the thumbnail bar, and you can increase and reduce the size. Now if you want to add the text in the banner, then you click on the left panel text and you will see these plenty of options. I'm going to use this one. Once you click on it, it will come into your design pane or preview pane. Just change the, if you want to change the font style or anything, just click on it and you can do the editing at your end. Now I want to add the image, then I will click on the photo button, and you can use the already uploaded images by Canva, and there are a lot of free images. I don't think you need to use any other combination of images. If you want to use it, then you can search, or you can use the premium version. For example, it is laptop, so I will search for laptop. Once I search it, I will click whatever image I need, just click on it and the image comes into your thumbnail design. So you can drag, drop, and whatever the changes you want, you can do that. Okay, now let's talk about the upload section. In this section you can upload your images, your videos, your audios. If you want to create custom videos, audios and images, and it will be stored in your account until unless you can access. And you can even upload from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram and Dropbox, and even with your physical storage from laptop or mobile. They have the mobile app as well. I'm going to share the link of application in the description of the video. so that you can create the thumbnail from your phone as well. Once you are done, then you can click on the top right corner download button, and once you click on it, you will see this pop up with the file type PNG as a default to be downloaded. Let's click on the download icon, and you will see that image has been downloaded. Let's click and open it and see the image quality. So you can see the quality of the image is quite nice. It doesn't pixelate a lot, and it is very good for your thumbnail video of YouTube. That's all guys. I hope you like the video and keep subscribing my channel.